I'm Dr Suprabha, dermatologist from Kerala. Regarding this hair transplant training, it has been very extensive and thorough training. Dr. Satya, Dr. Preeti and his assistants have helped us in each and every step. They have extensively helped with the preoperative assessment, what are the intraoperative steps, post-operative management, and also shared all the material required for setting up a practice after the training. This is definitely one of the best training we can invest in.
And you're doing, suppose this is a slit making, extraction to implantation. All the things are relevant. All the fingers are important. And if we do not take the support of these two fingers, these fingers will become very unstable unless you become an expert, which we are not going to become at least till we do 100 cases. So we have gently and remember the angle and direction and try to insert it slowly and slowly take this out. Otherwise, if you have the forceps also and the follicular unit of the graft also and the other forceps also, that space is not big enough for you for all the things. It will be, the graft will be crushed. The softest structure there is the graft. It will be crushed. Two forceps and a graft in a very small needle. I mean, it's going to damage the graft.